In an ever-evolving world of aviation, where safety, sustainability, and efficiency are not just important but vital, every bit of flight data has perishable value. Star navigation empowers data right where it's generated. In real time, in flight, on the edge. Star's in-flight data analysis is the next evolution in aviation technology. In the face of unpredictable headwinds, the aviation industry grapples with soaring fuel costs, unscheduled maintenance, legacy systems, as well as a reactive approach to flight data analysis. Experience Star Navigation. An evolution in onboard flight data analysis. At Star, we pride ourselves on being more than just another vendor in your ecosystem. We are your partner in digital transformation. With traditional ground-based communication systems giving you basic telemetry data, Star allows you to experience a live operational digital twin, a virtual window into your aircraft. Star developed and patented the world's first in-flight safety monitoring system, the Star ISMS, a powerful onboard edge computer that acquires data from 9 major aircraft avionics equipment. The Star ISMS continuously analyzes flight data from engine on to engine off, leveraging over 375 plus predefined algorithms, detecting any system anomalies, exceedances, and deviances, providing airlines with a proactive, in-flight data monitoring and analysis technology. With global pole-to-pole coverage supported by the Iridium satellite network, your aircraft is always connected. With Star, not only is your flight data authenticated and encrypted, but you also gain unparalleled voice, text, and data capabilities through a range of antenna installation options, including fuselage-mounted, glass-mounted or magnetic-mounted, thus eliminating the need for intrusive fuselage drilling, and streamlining the installation setup for a quicker implementation. In an unlikely event of a distress situation, aircraft flight data is automatically and continuously streamed to the ground, far exceeding the International Civil Aviation's 15-minute aircraft tracking and 1-minute GADSS distress tracking, allowing authorities for timely post-flight localization, recovery, and accident investigation. At Star, our patent-pending digital twin is more than just a buzzword. It stands as the heart of our real-time dashboard, reflecting every intricate detail of your aircraft during flight. This isn't just about tracking an aircraft. It's about continuously monitoring, analyzing, and ensuring your connection to the very pulse of your aircraft's health. Upon landing at any airport, Star automatically and wirelessly transmits both raw and processed flight data to the cloud via cellular GSM. This seamless transition ensures flight data is instantly available for analysis, eliminating the need for manual extraction or the need for a quick access recorder. In today's digital age, leveraging data analytics is no longer just a competitive edge. It's imperative. Harnessing the impressive power of cloud computing and artificial intelligence, Star's machine learning analysis delivers unparalleled insights. We are leveraging flight data and enabling actionable insights that transform your operations. Star provides a unified dashboard for live flight tracking. Track flights on a map view in real time, displaying altitude, heading, speed, and GPS coordinates. Ensure continuous oversight and enhance situational awareness for every flight and your entire fleet. Alerts and event notifications. Stay informed of anomalies such as flight path deviations, unstable landings, system alerts, and more. Directly to your dashboard, email, or mobile phone. Live engine performance trends. Proactively address potential issues and optimize engine performance by venturing deeper into an array of advanced flight parameters, from fuel flow, oil temperature, engine speeds, engine vibration, system alerts, and discrete data such as engine fire or cabin smoke. FOCA analysis. With FOCA reports available within minutes of an aircraft landing, drill deeper into post-flight flight data analytics, hazard and risk identification. Instantaneously identify safety events such as high pitch at takeoff, high speed at landing, go-around events, and many more. Engine condition monitoring. Monitor live trends and delve into intricate analytics such as engine EGT, fan speeds, vibrational patterns, and fuel flow. Anticipate issues before they arise, and enhance engine lifespan and reliability. Fuel and sustainability dashboard. Get granular insights into fuel consumption and fuel efficiency across each flight phase. Save fuel and reduce CO2 emissions through use cases such as landing flap configurations, APU usage, fuel quantity analysis, and many more. Flight replays. Replay flights on an interactive 3D animated simulation, perfect for in-depth analysis, pilot training, and incident recreation. End-of-flight reports. Automatically access tailored reports for each department, available within moments of touchdown, streamlining interdepartmental communication and facilitating swift decision-making. Get access to raw and engineered flight data for third-party integration. Weather overlays. Access up-to-the-minute data on wind patterns, lightning activity, and temperature, enhancing flight safety and route planning. Predictive maintenance. Diagnose and predict maintenance issues by forecasting component wear, EGT, and vibration trends long before they pose a challenge. With in-house STC and engineering capabilities, the STAR ISMS is approved by the FAA, Transport Canada, and EASA and can be retrofitted onto any commercial, military, or business aircraft. Our tailored subscription pricing model allows airlines to easily adopt and leverage innovative aviation technology to enhance safety, optimize operations, and increase your return on investment. With Star Navigation as your technology partner, you're embracing an entire digital ecosystem designed to unlock value out of your flight data and make intelligent data-driven decisions. Experience. Star Navigation. Flight data. Analyzed onboard in real time.